What is the 6-year rule for capital gains tax? I am going to show you how you can easily understand the 6-year rule for capital gains tax. The capital gains tax property 6-year rule allows you to use your property investment as if it were your principal place of residence for up to 6 years while you rent it out. This means that you would be able to sell the property within the 6-year period and be exempt from paying capital gains tax just as you would if you would sold the house considered your main residence. The 6-year absence rule exists because there are many reasons why you may not be living on your property for some time. The Australian Tax Office recognizes that there are various unique circumstances beyond the control of the property owner. The capital gains tax property 6-year absence rule will also appeal to homeowners wanting to make some additional money for the period that they are not able to reside in their home, all without prompting the need to pay CGT upon its eventual sale.